Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to recover unsaved Word file in Windows 10. And yeah, let me show you how to do it. That's actually gonna be a very quick tutorial. So let's say we've typed something here, sub for Dr. Niki like this, and we forgot to save it. And we click on this cross here and we click on don't save. And yeah, so what to do now, so how to recover this unsaved Word file. Just open again Word here and hold on your keyboard Control and O like this, and then scroll down to find this option here, recover unsaved documents here. And as you can see here, we have all files, unsaved files, Word files, and you can open all. Just let's open this sub for Dr. Niki, and as you can see, it's here. You can save it now, and then you can edit it if you want it. So that was it, how to recover the unsaved Word file in Windows 10. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.